eat our prayers. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're doing a mukbang of soul food to celebrate Juneteenth. Celebrated today on June 19th. Celebrated in every state except for Hawaii and South Dakota. But Hawaii sent a bill to start celebrating Hawaii. Let's rewind that. What I meant to say was Hawaii sent a bill to start celebrating June 19th.
Juneteenth is an annual holiday celebrated on June 19th, commemorating the end of slavery in the United States. It has been around for over 150 years. It all began on June 19, 1865, when Union soldiers arrived in Galveston, Texas, with news that the Civil War was over and that enslaved peoples were to be freed.
Now, let's start the mukbang with these delicious foods. We're gonna start with some chicken. Yummy. It's like chicken. Tastes like normal chicken, but it's really hard to bite. Yep, I want mac and cheese. More. Macaroni and cheese is good. Very cheesy, how I like it. Not super cheesy.
So in your own opinion, what is Juneteenth?
Juneteenth is a day that the slaves were free, but they were free like 2 years after the soldiers had told them. So they were working like extra hard, and they could have got set free like 2 years after, like before.
Even though the Emancipation Proclamation had been issued more than 2 years earlier, it had little effect at the time of signing, as news of the order had not reached the enslaved population of Texas. The first major Juneteenth celebration was held in Austin, Texas in 1867.
Did you know that red soda was a luxury? I see you have red juice. Did you know that was a luxury? Because the slaves couldn't have that during slavery?
Actually, I didn't know that.
Over the years, Juneteenth has been celebrated by Black Americans all over the country in many different ways. On many occasions, an assortment of red foods and drinks are prepared to symbolize perseverance.
Red is a luxury. Red food is a luxury.
So what kind of drink is that?
That's good. This looks like a plate for royalty. So my family's really hungry and this food tastes amazing, so I'm gonna share with them. So they're just gonna come in and make a plate.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching my mukbang of soul food, and which is in honor of Juneteenth. Knowledge is power. Thank you guys for watching and talking with me about Juneteenth, and don't forget to hit that bell.